The untold truth about Roth IRA conversions is something many retirees overlook, and it can make a huge difference in how much of your wealth you get to keep when it's time to withdraw from your retirement accounts. If you're someone who's been considering converting your traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA, or if you're just curious about the process, stick around because I'm going to break down everything you need to know and more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether this strategy is right for you and your long-term retirement goals. Roth IRA conversions allow you to pay taxes now on your retirement savings so that you can withdraw that money later tax-free. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. There's more to it than just flipping the switch from traditional to Roth. Many retirees miss key details that could either make the conversion a smart move or leave them with a tax headache down the road. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about timing. The biggest mistake people make with Roth IRA conversions is not considering how it will impact their taxes in the short term. When you convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, the amount you convert counts as taxable income for the year. For retirees, especially those who are already on a fixed income, this can be a shock when tax season rolls around. This is where a lot of people get stuck. And it's also where it gets a little complicated. If you're converting a large amount of money all at once, you could push yourself into a higher tax bracket for the year, meaning you'll end up paying way more in taxes than you might have anticipated. It's crucial to do this in stages, converting smaller amounts over multiple years to avoid overloading yourself with taxes all at once. But, and here's a big but, that might not always be the best strategy for everyone. You also need to consider your retirement timeline. If you're planning to retire soon, or if you're already retired and drawing from your IRA, the timing of a Roth conversion becomes even more critical. A Roth IRA gives you tax-free withdrawals, but only if the account has been open for at least 5 years. If you convert today and need to start withdrawing next year, you could be stuck paying taxes on your Roth withdrawals, which defeats the purpose of the conversion. Let's pause here and talk about a really important point for American retirees, the alternative. If you're looking to protect your wealth, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution. Many retirees are finding that by rolling over part of their retirement funds into a gold IRA, they're able to hedge against inflation, safeguard their wealth from stock market volatility, and ensure their hard-earned savings last for the long term. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their savings, and it could be the best next step for you. Now back to Roth IRA conversions. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you're already paying for Medicare, a Roth conversion can push your income higher, which might increase your Medicare premiums. This is another example of how these conversions can have hidden costs if you don't plan carefully. What's also often overlooked is the impact on your beneficiaries. With a Roth IRA, your heirs can inherit the account and withdraw funds without paying any taxes, unlike a traditional IRA where they'll have to pay taxes on the distributions. But keep in mind that the Roth conversion is a taxable event, meaning the person converting the IRA will pay taxes up front. If you're not careful with your planning, you could end up giving a significant chunk of your wealth to the IRS instead of to your loved ones. If you're sitting on a sizable retirement account, say $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even upwards of $5 in savings, these strategies become even more critical. The decisions you make today could significantly impact your wealth in the future. To wrap up, Roth IRA conversions are a powerful tool, but only if you're strategic about how and when you make the conversion. If you don't plan carefully, you could end up paying more in taxes than you need to, or hurt your future withdrawal options. This is where working with an expert is crucial. If you want to learn more about protecting your wealth, especially if you're a retiree with $100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even $5 in savings, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans have already started using gold IRAs to diversify and protect their wealth. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that free guide for more information on how gold IRAs can benefit your retirement strategy.